Hello friends, in this video you are going to learn how to make this miniature effect wedding photograph in Photoshop with very easy process. For this I take two images. One is the couple image and second one is the miniature effect photograph which is downloaded from internet. First step, to extract the couple from the background with the help of pen tool. I am not using any selection tool for this image because I need precious edge of the couple. So take a pen tool and draw the edge of the couple. With the help of Alt and Control, you can adjust the control points of the path and tangents. With the help of spacebar, you can manipulate the canvas. After selecting all the edges of the couple, press Ctrl Enter, convert your path into selection. Now copy the image and paste in the background image. First of all, I have to duplicate the couple image. Sometimes we are going wrong, so can use the image. That's why I am just duplicate the image and hide it. Scale the photograph according to the background so it can merged. You can rectify your image anytime after copying. Okay, now my couple is ready, so I am going to merge the foot part of the couple into snow. For this I am using the masking tool and draw with a brush and take a black color. There is some issue in the dress because sand is placed on the dress, so I just copy the effect and adjust it. Now couple is ready. First of all, I have to hide the foot part of the couple. So for this I am using this bonfire image PNG and adjust in front of the foot. But the image is very light, so I can adjust the levels of the image with the help of Ctrl L. Levels, adjust the midtones and set the background. Now time to create the shadow of both the things, the bonfire and the couple. For this I am using simple brush tool and eraser tool to create the shadow. I just painted the black background, adjust the opacity and eraser tool to make a shadow. Same for the couple. So the couple is merged in the seam and it look more realistic. You can adjust the couple edge part with the help of burn tool to merge in the seam. I just duplicate the shadow and scale out to increase depth in the image. Now almost everything is done. Time to adjust the background. So I select the layer and press Ctrl J, then adjust the levels to the darkness because I am going to convert this image into dark. So I just decrease the curves of the image so highlight is less and increase the bluish part so it look more night effect. But the problem is this, when I convert my image into darkness, my car is also become dark. So first I have to adjust the color so it look more night type effect. Adjust the brightness contrast of the background first. Now my background is completely a night scene, but the car becomes very dark. So I'm going to mask the car and give some lightness to the car, and it also helps me to glow the area of the background, so the highlight becomes more interesting in the scene. Now time to give some glow effect in the couple area. So I'm using the color balance. With the help of color balance, you can adjust the shadow part is blue and the highlight part is yellow. Scale the bonfire so it look more interesting. Now time to give some yellow effect in the fire and background. So I used simple brush tool and blend according to the scene. You can play with the blending because there is no rule to set this blend mode, so you can play with the blend mode and make the effect very interesting. Now almost shadow looks good and highlight also good. Now give some depth to the couple. For this I just select the couple area with the help of control and click on the layer thumbnail and add the darkness to the edges with same blue color because the night color is very bluish. Blend them to the couple. Now again I'm taking the same steps. Okay, now highlight is good. Now I'm going to create a snow part on the couple, so I select the area, shift Ctrl C and Ctrl V. I just convert it into black and white, so the shadow is only rest. Blend with linear light or add light, so the black part is going out and the snow comes on the couple. You can adjust any time of the background to give some highlights or shadows and effect. So I'm just duplicate the image and again blend them. So my main area becomes more highlighted. You can adjust glow, edges, shadows anytime to give some effect. Now select all, shift Ctrl C, Ctrl V. If you want to merge all the effect into one image, adjust the color. Now time to create a moon. So before this I just add some bluish area. For moon I just draw a normal circle and paint with the white brush and paint only the part of edges only. So the moon edges is looking good, but I need some roughness, so I can blend, or you can erase the edges with the noise brush. So I just blend it and take a noise brush and remove the edges. So just remove the edge part. Okay, fine. So it is going to merge in the scene. because after some time I can blur them. Now time to again merge all the effects into one image, scale out and focus on the couple only. Now use the blur, field blur you can use, or iris blur, but I think field blur is not looking good in this scene, so I take iris blur and place the center to the couple. Increase the scaling of the thing, adjust it and increase. If you want to give some bokeh effect, you can add light bouquets, color effects also. Now my scene is looking more realistic. Okay, fine. If you want to increase the color effect, you can use vibrance, because vibrance is my favorite instead of using saturation. So you can use any effects or adjustment, it's all up to you, which you like most you can use. I'm not saying that you have to follow this instruction, because I am just giving you the process how to make this image. Hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel for latest updates. Thank you.